Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your footage and Capcut project so you never force recompression. Import the original video. Do not re-encode beforehand. Set the project aspect ratio to match the source and make sure timeline resolution equals or exceeds the clip resolution. Once done, open export settings early so you can monitor options. This prevents Capcut from scaling or re-encoding unnecessarily. Make these choices now to keep quality high and minimize later fixes. You next control how Capcut encodes the final file by setting codec, bitrate, and frame rate deliberately. Select H, 264 or H, 265 based on playback targets. H, 265 saves size with similar quality but needs compatible players. Manually set the bitrate close to the original or slightly higher if you will color grade. This avoids added compression artifacts. Also lock the exact resolution and frame rate so Capcut does not auto-scale. You finish by exporting with a smart, custom profile that mirrors your source. Choose Custom Export and confirm codec, resolution, frame rate, and bitrate, then export a short test clip first. Compare the test to the original visually and with histogram or waveform tools to confirm no undue compression. If you see banding or blocking, raise the bitrate or export one lossless pass for later delivery encoding. For stubborn issues, re-import the lossless file into Capcut for minimal final trims.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.